Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fit BMW 1 Series wiper blades. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks and clean the blade seating area with a soft cloth. Remove the old blade by depressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook. Then align the new blade and click it into place securely before lowering the arm slowly back onto the glass. Begin by lifting the wiper arm until it is stable and upright, then support the arm so it cannot snap back. Press the release tab on the blade connector while pulling the blade away from the hook and slide it off cleanly. Inspect the wiper arm for corrosion or bends and wipe the contact area with a cloth, ensuring the new blade will seat properly when you attach it to prevent streaks or misalignment later. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy workshops effortless, and it even scoops up stray debris from boot liners, making post-maintenance cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Position the new blade so the connector aligns with the factory hook and slide it into place until you hear a clear click indicating it is locked. Lower the wiper arm gently onto the windscreen, then repeat on the other side, ensuring both blades sit flush and move smoothly. Start the wipers for a quick test, check for streaking or chatter, and readjust or reseat if necessary to guarantee a tidy, streak-free wipe across the glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.